Welcome back to Family Money Club, y'all, where we building a community of money smart families. We're making sure we all on the same page, getting that bread and building that generational wealth. Artificial intelligence, that's stuff's everywhere these days. Self-driving cars, robot chefs, you name it. But you know what we interested in? We interested in how AI can make us some money, you feel me? Now, y'all know I'm always looking for new ways to stack that paper, and this AI crypto thing has got my attention, so let's dive right in. What exactly are these AI agents?
I think of them like the next level of those trading bots you might have heard about. But instead of just following some basic rules that some human programmed into them, these AI agents are on a whole nother level.
Okay, I'm intrigued. So what makes them so special?
They're autonomous. They can learn and adapt and make their own decisions. Like, they can create content, manage your crypto wallets.
Wait, hold up. Manage my crypto wallet.
Even launch their own tokens, all without you lifting a finger, man.
You're telling me these robots are out here hustling harder than some of my cousins? That's crazy. Who are some of these AI agents making waves out there?
There are a few making serious noise right now. One of the biggest names is Truth Terminal. This link with chatbot on X, Twitter. Well, they changed their name to X.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Anyway, this Truth Terminal, it's got over 200,000 followers hanging on its every word.
200,000.
For real. But check this out, Truth Terminal even created its own meme coin, GOAT. And that thing, at one point, had a market cap of over $1 billion.
Hold up. $1 billion from a meme coin created by a robot. My mind is blown. So basically, this Truth Terminal is like a crypto influencer, but it's a robot.
Pretty much. It's wild, right?
The world's getting crazier by the day, man. Okay, so we got Truth Terminal. What other AI agents are out there making bank?
There's AI XBT, an AI market analyst that's basically like having a crystal ball for the crypto market.
Oh, so this is one of them fortune teller robots.
In a way, yeah. It analyzes data, spits out trading signals, tells people when to buy and sell.
So we got robots making financial predictions. What can't these things do? Okay, I'm hooked. But how do these AI agents actually work in the crypto world?
They interact directly with the blockchain.
The blockchain. Remind those at home what that is.
So the blockchain, it's like the backbone of the crypto world, right? With a big old digital ledger that keeps track of all the transactions. And these AI agents, they can interact with that blockchain directly. They can swap coins. They can deploy smart contracts.
Smart contracts, what are those again?
Okay, so imagine you want to buy something online, but you don't want to trust the seller to actually send you the goods after you pay. A smart contract is like a digital agreement that automatically makes sure both sides hold up their end of the bargain.
Oh, I get it. So it's like having a robot lawyer making sure nobody gets scammed. Very slick.
Exactly. And AI agents can use these smart contracts to do all sorts of things in the crypto world. It's like their secret weapon.
All right, so we got AI agents talking to the blockchain, using smart contracts to make things happen. So are you saying these AI agents could potentially automate the whole crypto game?
It's definitely a possibility. I mean, imagine a world where you don't need to spend hours researching different crypto projects, trying to time the market, all that stuff. You just let your AI agent handle all that while you kick back and watch your portfolio grow.
Okay, now that's a future I can get behind. But hold up, if these AI agents are so smart, does that mean they could eventually take over the whole crypto market? Like, are we going to have a robot Wall Street 2.0?
It's definitely something to think about. As these AI agents get smarter and more sophisticated, they could become the major players in the crypto market. We might be looking at a future where robots are calling the shots in the financial world, making all the big trades and investments.
That's both exciting and kind of scary at the same time. But before we spiral into a robot apocalypse, let's talk about us regular folks. How did WE get in on this AI action? Where's the money at?
All right, so before you jump in head first, you got to understand the platforms that are driving this whole AI agent revolution.
Okay, break it down for us. What are these platforms all about?
Think of them like the training grounds for these robot hustlers. It's where they learn to make us rich.
So these platforms are where the magic happens, where the robots learn to make us that cheddar.
You got it. One of the big players is the ELIZA framework. They're like the Harvard of AI agent development, helping people launch all sorts of autonomous agents and applications. They've got a token called AI6Z, and they're connecting with more and more blockchains all the time. And there's Virtuals, which is a more user-friendly platform built on something called Ethereum's Layer 2 base.
Layer 2 base. Hold up, now you're talking like one of them tech nerds.
All right, let me simplify it. Imagine you're on a busy highway, bumper-to-bumper traffic. It's slow, it's frustrating. Layer 2 is like building express lanes on top of that highway. makes transactions faster, cheaper, more efficient.
Oh, so it's like a VIP lane for crypto transactions. That makes sense.
Exactly. And that's exactly what AI agents need to thrive. They need a fast, efficient platform to operate on, and that's what Virtuals offers.
So these platforms are like the secret sauce behind the AI agent revolution. Starting to get the picture. Even if some AI agents flop, the platforms are still going to be making money. Pretty safe bet. What else makes these platforms a good investment?
Well, they're not just standing still, they're constantly evolving, adding new features. Think about it, the internet was pretty basic back in the day. These platforms are the same way. They're integrating with more blockchains. Basically, they're building the infrastructure for the future of AI agents.
Okay, I see the potential here. Investing in platforms sounds like a good move, especially if you're a little risk averse. But how do I actually choose which platform to invest in? Are there any red flags I should be looking out for?
That's a great question. First off, you gotta check out the team behind the platform. Are they experienced? Do they have a proven track record in the tech world? You don't want to invest in a platform run by a bunch of amateurs.
Yeah, no shade to the amateurs, but when it comes to my money, I want the pros handling things. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. And you also got to look at the platform's technology. Is it secure? Can it handle a lot of users and transactions? We don't want our AI agents crashing the system when things get busy.
Now, we need a platform that can handle the heat, right? No freezing up when the market's moving 1,000,000 miles a minute.
Absolutely. And don't forget about the community. Is there a lot of buzz around the platform? Are people excited about what they're building? A strong community is a good sign that a platform is onto something big.
A hype community usually means there's some serious potential there. So, solid team, strong tech, and a community to lip.
Got it. But what about those individual AI agents themselves? Can we make money off those directly?
Oh, for sure. Some of them have their own tokens, like GOAT from Truth Terminal. These can be super lucrative investments, but they're also high risk.
Remember, always do your research before invested in any AI agent token. Understand what the agent does, check out its track record, and make sure the project has a solid foundation. You feel me?
Gotcha. But even with those risks, this AI agent thing sounds pretty darn exciting, like the Wild West of crypto, but with robots instead of cowboys. So let's break it down for the folks at home one more time. What are the two main ways to play this AI agent game?
All right, let's lay it out. Option one, you can go for the high risk, high reward approach. Invest in individual AI agents that have their own tokens. Option two is what we call the picks and shovels approach. Instead of betting on individual agents, you invest in the platforms that support their development.
I'm liking the sound of that.
It's a lot to take in, but here's the bottom line. Whether you choose to invest in individual AI agents or the platforms that support them, this is a trend you don't want to sleep on. The AI agent revolution is just getting started, and the potential for profit is huge.
Right, you heard it here first, folks. AI agents are about to take the crypto world by storm, and we're going to be right there in the middle of it. But before we get too carried away, we got to talk about the potential risks. Because let's be real, no investment is without risk. Are there any red flags we should be aware of?
This space is still very new. Things are changing fast. There's always a chance that a particular agent or platform could fail, or that the whole trend could fizzle out. It's the nature of any emergent technology.
There's a chance that our robot buddies could lead us down the wrong path.
It's possible. That's why it's crucial to diversify your investments. Never put all your eggs in one basket and only invest what you can afford to lose.
Words of wisdom. Diversify. Don't go all in. And be prepared for things to go south. AI agents are revolutionizing crypto, making it more efficient, more accessible, but there are still challenges to overcome.
A lot of questions to answer.
But hey, that's what makes this stuff so exciting. We're on the front lines of a whole new era.
And who knows what the future holds?
AI agents are here to stay, and the potential is huge. But we got to be smart about it, do our research, understand the risks, and be prepared for a wild ride. Found Money Club, this AI stuff is fascinating, but it's also a lot to wrap your head around. But hey, that's why we do these deep dives, to get y'all thinking about the future. AI revolution is here, folks, and it ain't slowing down. Thanks for listening to Family Money Club.